In this video, I'll guide you through how to change organization settings in Xero. We'll go step by step from getting into Xero to updating your organization's basic and contact information and finally saving everything correctly. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to update so your Xero account reflects your current business details. First, open your web browser and go to xero.com. Make sure you're logging in with an account that has the right permissions to view and edit organization settings, usually an administrator or someone with similar access. Once you're on the homepage, sign into your Xero account as you normally would. After you log in, you'll be taken to your main Xero dashboard. At the top left of the screen, you'll see the organization drop down. This is usually where your current organization's name appears. Click on that drop down. This menu is important because it not only lets you switch between organizations if you have more than one, but it also gives you access to settings that control how your organization is set up in Xero. From that drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will take you to the central area where you manage key configuration options for your organization. If you ever feel lost in Xero, remember that most high-level changes for your business live under this Settings section. Inside Settings, find and click on Organization Details. This is the page where Xero stores the core information about your business, such as its name, legal structure, address, and key contact details. It's a good idea to review this page anytime something changes in your company, like a rebrand, a move to a new address, or a change in your main contact email. Once you're on the Organization Details page, start by changing your basic information. This might include the organization name, legal name if different, the type of business, and your physical or registered address. Take a moment to compare what's in Xero with your official records and any documents you share with customers or the government. Keeping these details accurate helps ensure your invoices, reports, and tax information are all consistent and professional. After you've updated the basic information, move on to your contact information. This usually covers things like your main phone number, email addresses for general inquiries or accounts, and sometimes a website or postal address. Think about what your customers, suppliers, or partners would see on invoices and statements that come from Xero. If those contact details are out of date, people may have trouble reaching you or sending payments to the right place, so this is a key area to keep current. When you're happy with all the changes you've made, scroll down and click Save. This step is essential. If you navigate away without saving, all the updates you just entered will be lost and you'll need to redo them. After you click Save, Xero will store your new organization settings, and those updates will flow through to your invoices, reports, and other parts of the system that use your organization information. That's all you need to do to change organization settings in Xero. Go to xero.com, open the organization dropdown, head into Settings, update your organization details, adjust your basic and contact information, and then save your changes.